Man, just got crazier. What's going on, everybody? So much just happened in the last 12 hours. And if you're holding XRP, you gotta know everything by the end of this video, starting with the price, because Ripple has a new partnership. There's more XRP moved to exchanges, and there's something going on from the US and Israel against Iran. And now the prices, BTC getting closer to 59. All of this, guys, I want to go ahead and touch base and tell you exactly what is going on. And let me tell you guys, I know the prices may not be where we want it. Even Swift telling everybody that they're going to start doing something with digital asset transactions, live trials. And people are saying, calm down. It's just an appeal, meaning stop selling. That's what some of the community members are talking about. And price of BTC, it was like 60, 62, then back to 60. The question is, double bottom, that usually is a bearish signal. So if you're holding XRP, we got some Ripple news, right, when it comes to Mercado Bitcoin. Very good ones, but people are wondering, well, why in the world the price is not moving? We talked about yesterday. We exactly know what the reason is. That appeal is crushing us. But you know what? We will prevail. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. More breaking news. It's just phenomenal, to continue witnessing history. And one thing I told you guys in the live yesterday is like, hey, we are still living in such early times for crypto and digital assets. Let's go ahead and be strong. And if you want, continue buying the dip, because I'm doing it and I'm putting some positions on Margex. First link down below, guys, if you want to start getting your feet wet and adding some amazing positions at great entries. This is the time, right, when the fear is elevated. Because when FOMO is elevated, it's so easy and everybody wants to come in. But when doubts and questions are arising, right, that's the perfect opportunity. But we'll be here for you guys, so make sure that you follow us every step of the way. So guys, right now when it comes to XRP, the price is 51 cents from the almost 66 cents that we got. If you go to the 4 hours right here, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. 66. We are officially witnessing a 23% retracement. So zoom out. The first thing I'm going to tell you, is this a mega crash? It is a decent correction, not in one day, but it took about 22 bars in the 4 hours, which is 3 days. So in 3 days, XRP lost 20+ % of its value, and mainly because of October 1st, which happened and everything went down, and also the appeal. Realistically speaking, not XRP's issues. It's just market conditions and Gary Gensler. So in my humble opinion, to start the video fast and easy, this is an amazing time to load up for XRP. That's it. If you're letting fodders get in your head, if you're letting haters get in your head, and you're wishing for never buying because you just want to see it go back to go to zero, then it's your problem, my friend. Now, big breaking news that we have today. Ripple partners with Brazilian exchange Mercado Bitcoin to offer business-focused payment solutions. Well done. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So Brazil, as you know, guys, it's a big, big market. They are hosting so much going on there, and obviously crypto is going to be important. So it's a leading Brazilian crypto exchange, will be the first customer of Ripple's product in Brazil. Oh, that's so cool, so sexy. Ripple platforms to improve its internal treasury operations between Brazil and Portugal, of course, because they speak the same language. Amazing. Ripple introduced a crypto demand liquidity service in Brazil in August 2022 in partnership with this bank. Awesome. So these are great news, guys. Well done. Breaking crypto news. And we have the response here, official from Ripple says, Ripple's end-to-end payment solution is now live in Brazil. Learn how the new partnership will streamline treasury operations between Brazil and Portugal. That's what it's all about, cross-border payments. So well done, Brazil. Well done, Ripple. Now, Some other people, which they can do whatever they want with their money, are seeing the opportunities to, guess what? Upload. And they're like, get out. 60 million XRP sent to top crypto exchanges. What happened? Usually, guys, I don't have to go over this article to tell you, but usually when you send money to exchanges means selling alerts. Doesn't mean that they sold, but it means that they're ready to cash out if the price of XRP meets their expectations. Because also when you move money to exchanges, you also are looking to short or you're looking to long. Just depends, guys. Just depends. So right now, situation's getting a little worrisome. Selling pressure is, guess what? Increasing. So not the only one saying it. Obviously, whales are looking into potential reducing risk and also increasing selling pressure. So FYI, everybody, this is something that we cannot ignore. We cannot ignore. So if you're looking for options or reasons as far as why Bitcoin might continue going down, here's the reality. Justin, President Biden says that they're discussing Israel is striking Iran's oil facilities. I don't have to repeat this, guys. You already know it. What happened a few days ago? Iran, Hezbollah attacked, right? Missiles, ballistic missiles. And Israel, from what I know, is going to respond. And obviously, the U.S. is helping that with any kind of way to support Israel. So this war is not going to end anytime soon, right? Sadly. And that just implies more pain for markets and more sell-offs. That's what it is. And I think we're going to be passing for sure 59 and below based on this, because right now, isn't this supposed to be pumped over? It's okay, fam. It's okay. Take all the dips. Take all the dips that you can, right? Now, I mean, as I mentioned, the community is like, more for me, which is exactly the way to respond, right? Guys, don't forget to get your up to 10,000 welcome bonus from MarchX. I'm actually gonna open up. I didn't have it open, but let me go to trade. I'm gonna be down in some positions as I was trading some XRP, but yeah, I have, what is it, 10x, 5x, 5x, 5x. So it's all very well calculated for this turbulent times. So I'm not doing any 100x right now, just 5x, 5x, 5x. And I'm trying to be cautious, right? Because you never know. I'm very happy. These are not going to be closed, in my opinion, because we have a decent level. 55,000 liquidation price for BTC. Come on, BTC. Are we really going to 55? If so, it's just a little money, but I have some decent leverage. So guys, sign up right now. Takes a few seconds. No KYC. Join the party. Get some awesome XRP from MarchX. Start trading. And of course, as I'm showing you here, I'm using my PPF, past, present, future indicator, which is a collaboration with Loxaldo, guys. Give it a click on the second link down below, right below MarchX. I have the tools that I'm using for trading and trying to get, you know, those great positions, because nobody knows where the future of crypto is going to go, especially right now. There's wars, election, debates, issues, breaking news. There's everything right now, guys. It's pretty crazy, you know? But in the craziness is where most people make money. All right. And also we have this one, you know, XRP is spiking whale activity. Obviously, right now, there's people trying to become whales with the cheap prices. We also have exciting news from Swift. As you know, XRPL, Swift, they're trying to onboard much of the, you know, corporations into cross-border payments. And they're like, we got to beef up our resources, right? So there's going to be more competition. There's going to be more competition. And the last thing I want to show you guys, went on a high note, something fun. October sees us, and they're like, okay, let's go ahead and give you a nice 10%. Why not? And we're like, well, finally, and rock pull immediately. Thanks for watching, everybody. You've been updated. XRP holders, crazy, great news, but still painful. Let me know in the comments down below how you feel. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.